Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to stretch the calf muscles. So you would stand facing the wall, and let's say you wanted to stretch the right leg. You split the legs, left leg in front, right leg behind. Notice both feet are facing forward like this. You're not deviating one foot out like this or the other foot out like that. Having both feet lined up like that. Again, right leg behind if you're stretching the right side, left leg in front, hold the wall. Right leg, the knee is straight. Both heels are on the floor. You're not allowing the heels to come off the floor. Bend the left leg, keeping the right leg straight, and you're going to feel a stretch here. Okay. If holding this position is difficult for any reason, you can come a bit closer, put your forearms on the wall, and just relax onto the wall, bend that front leg, feel the stretch in the back leg. If you want to get a focal stretch on the lower part of the calf, just bend. That's when you bend the knee. And you should really feel a shifting of the tension from the entire part of the calf to really this zone. So again, to get that lower part stretched, now you can bend. And you're really feeling that lower part being stretched there. In this case, you may really want to be up against the wall like this with the forearm supporting you. No bouncing. Either way, if you're here, no bouncing. If you're there, there's no bouncing. Okay? Then when you're done, ease off, you switch, and you repeat the procedure.